Today we're diving into the world of content creation, specifically how to make money writing articles. Step 1. Understand the basics. Article writing involves creating informative, engaging content for websites, blogs, and magazines. Content writing covers a broader range, including social media posts, product descriptions, and more. Step 2. Find your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make your writing more enjoyable and credible. Step 3. Build a portfolio. Showcase your best work to attract potential clients. You can use platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or your own website. Step 4. Join freelance platforms. Like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find writing gigs. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on projects. Step 5. Pitch to clients. Craft a personalized pitch for each client. Highlight your skills, experience, and how you can help them achieve their goals. Step 6. Deliver quality work. Always meet deadlines, follow client instructions, and proofread your work. High-quality articles will lead to repeat clients and referrals. And that's it. With these steps, you're on your way to making money with article and content writing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy writing! If there's any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.